we're back. Thank you very much, Movie Town. Thank you all the guys who are dining in all the wonderful restaurants here at Fiesta Plaza Movie Town. Feel free to come and join us when you guys finish dining. Feel free. I'm having, first of all, guys, you just saw Jolie present us with those little leaves, so I'm having butterfly pea tea.
Real things.
I did not make that up. It's butterfly pea tea.
Well done.
That's why I'm a coffee guy. Let's get straight on to this lovely lady on set. So when sometimes, before I introduce my guest taster, who is also on set with us, when Charlene comes on set, you know there are core people that make this show happen. Charlene Procope is core people. She has been on the show 4 years now, about 4 years. Charlene came to me. She was a little girl. Her name is Charlene Procope. She was about this high, this wide. And she said, Joel, I'm a chef and I'm a fitness enthusiast. And I want to be a fitness chef. I said, a fitness chef? That light bulb blew up in my mind. And ever since, Charlene has been presenting fit, healthy meals on the show. She has an entire section in the cookbook that we are so proud of, where she has all the recipes that she did on the show. Not so, Charlene?
Plenty, a good bit.
A good bit. Our entire section that Charlene has called Fit Food Fast. So you check her out, guys. She's on Cup of Joe, Fit Food Fast.
Thank you.
Yeah, she makes the show happen.
Even though Joel is run anytime I come on set, because I have to be watching everything they eat.
Yeah.
And Corlin, so.
Yeah. That's why I'm looking that's why I'm looking as good as I'm.
Don't worry, I have it under control.
So Charlene, we have challenged Charlene to take on our star ingredient challenge. Our challenge has to do with the Mamacita yellow corn flour that's perfect for pastels. So when you're making pastels this Christmas, Mamacita corn flour. There were pastels, I think, being distributed across. I hope you guys tried it. But Charlene is going to show you how else you can use this Mamacita corn flour.
You know, everybody, with Trini, when you hit cornmeal, you think cuckoo, you think cornbread, pastel, Christmas is right around the corner. So I say, because I have to do something vegan,
Byron is saying what pressure
we love vegan.
We love the vegans.
Love vegan,
yeah.
So I say, you know what, Joel, I'm going to do something a little sweet and nice, and that's what I'm going to do, a banana corn nut bread. A banana corn nut bread, guys. It's here. Charlene's going to show us how to do it. Please welcome, guys, our first guest taster for tonight. His name is Lyndon Millard. Thank you very much, Lyndon. Let's go, Charlene. First of all, Joel, with the Mamacita cornmeal, what I'm going to do is add 1 cup of cornmeal and 1 cup of oat flour.
If you didn't use oats, something was wrong. Yeah.
I love oat. I love oatmeal. So what I did to make my oat flour, it's super easy. You don't need to go to the grocery and buy oat flour, which is very expensive. You buy the regular clear bag oatmeal, put it in a food processor, and it lasts weeks, it lasts months. Trust me, it's the best flour.
You eat that every day.
Flour.
And you eat that every day,
And look how fast.
Yeah.
So I'm going to add 1 cup of oat flour.
Right.
1 cup of the pack bill, so I have to rip it.
You have to rip it.
Yeah. Use my muscles and rip it.
And you have a lot of muscles.
Yeah.
Charlene works out 5 days a week. 5 days a week?
Yeah.
At least 5 days a week, Charlene works
1 cup of cornmeal, corn flour.
Right.
To this, I'm going to add some cinnamon, nutmeg, baking soda, and a little bit of baking powder, and a tip of salt.
Right.
Myra, you do sweet?
Of course.
You do sweet, you do dessert?
Well, the good thing about it is, normally I don't really cook with sugar.
Right.
But because Joel loves sugar, I still let me bring 2 tablespoons of sugar. So if the audience say put it in, I will put it in. But if the audience say no, I'm going to be using the naturally cranberry and my banana.
Sugar.
So, should we put the sugar in?
No.
Should we keep it strictly healthy?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. No sugar.
Andrew, you gotta vet this audience.
The good thing about it is the lemon honey glaze that I'm going to use. From Herb It's going to have some,
so
nice
you're using
honey.
Herb honey.
Yeah, so you're going to have some
Herb
nice
honey.
glaze
Natural
on
sweetness,
it. Yeah.
natural
So,
sweetness.
No sugar.
No sugar.
Yeah, no
Right.
sugar.
So I'm going to add some sunflower, pumpkin seed, and cranberry. to the
Yes.
mixture. Then Joel, we're gonna add 3 bananas. Now I like to use bananas when the skin is dark. Yeah, that's my kind of banana. Plus,
Skin
if
get
you go,
black.
let me tell you something. Anytime you go by the vendor to buy bananas and you want the dark ones, they'll give you it at a better price.
Right.
Yeah.
You try that.
Save some money. Yeah.
Yeah.
I want the dark ones.
Yeah.
I can take it for free. That doesn't sell. Okay. I get my banana. Right. So I'm going to mix this up with some water. Now, Joel, you're going to be making the glaze.
What am I making?
The lemon honey glaze. So you're going to add some water. Sorry, essence. So now, Joel, you're going to add some water.
To the pot?
Yeah. You're going to add some of the herb white honey.
Yeah, man.
You're going to add some lemon juice. Now, don't put all, please.
Don't put all?
Don't put all, please.
Half?
Not half. Thank you. And then we're going to add our walnuts. Now
Walnuts.
you can use almonds, you can use pecan, you can use peanuts. I like walnuts, so I'm using walnuts. Right. We're going to add some more honey and just let that thicken up.
If it's
So
one
now-
thing, I whatever Charlene says, I do. Yeah.
Thank you.
Whatever Charlene says, I
He's
do.
my husband in the
Yeah.
kitchen on set.
So Charlene gets so big on this show. She came as Charlene Procope. Now she is Charlene Procope Delph.
Right. So, anyways, Joel, we're going to be using. I'm going to be using my hands. I love to use my hands.
love to
Thank
use your
you.
hands.
Right.
Yeah.
It's banana bread anyway, and we're just going to mix this up.
Get
And
in
now,
there.
Joel, basically this is it. Now, as again,
So there's like a dough you're coming,
it's like a dough.
dough coming
You
together.
can add any type of nuts to this. You can add raisin seeds as well. I use almond essence, but of course you can use mixed essence. Joel, no more honey. That's enough.
Sweet enough.
Yes. Taste it. Tell me if it's good enough, if it's sweet enough. Good?
It was good. Very good.
Right. Joel, no. You see what I tell
Flavor.
you? He likes so much sugar.
In Fiesta
Deal with
Plaza.
it. Right, and basically this is what you want to see for your banana bread. Banana cornbread.
So it's a banana corn nut bread.
Right, now all you're going to do is add this to your baking tray. You can add it to a pie tray and
Right.
put this in the oven for about 45 minutes. Now you have to keep checking in between because of the oatmeal, the corn flour.
It's
To
rich.
me, it's a little heavy.
Right.
So keep checking it. Once it comes out clean, perfect. The lemon glaze, however, when the bread comes out the oven, you're going to put it hot on the bread. Not too much honey. You see, I didn't use any sugar in my recipe because
Right.
it's sweet already with the cranberries and the bananas. Trust me,
Right.
it would be sweet.
You can go and wash up
And
Charlene,
basically,
and I will serve the guys.
Yeah,
So
man.
guys, this is Charlene's banana nut
Right.
cornbread.
Joel, put the glaze.
Or the glaze going on
You
it.
have to
you can
glaze
glaze
it. Come
on
here.
it.
You don't
Okay,
glaze
go ahead,
it.
Charlene.
Oh well, I'm sorry guys.
What's that? The glaze done?
sorry.
No. The
You
glaze-
can't get no glaze again.
Oh, I didn't know that, guys. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. This is live TV, so you had to eat it just like that.
Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Yeah, we can exchange it,
Charlene,
man.
give them the glaze.
Yeah, that,
Give
yeah,
them the glaze.
you
The good
can't.
thing, guys, is that
After all
all
that
the
hard work.
recipes that you see here,
Yeah, man.
we put it on our website, our food website,
Nice.
trindycooks.com, and you can try these recipes on your own. Put
Yeah,
your own
yeah,
twist
yeah.
on it. Charlene used the Mamacita cornflour. That's
Right.
perfect for pastels
Yes.
this Christmas, but can be used in so many different ways. Charlene Procope Delph, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Give it up for Charlene.
Yeah, boy.
Charlene is about fun, food, and friends, and Charlene is a friend of the
Right.
show. We're coming right back, guys. Thank you very much. Come on back. Much more fun and food and flavor to come here at Fiesta Plaza.